Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set an administrator password in BIOS on HUAWEI MateBook D16. In order to do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that is done, just go down to the setup administrator password, then click on enter. And now you need to enter the new password. Then click on enter and enter it again to confirm. And now you can click on enter and the password is set. You can also change or disable the password. In order to do it, click on enter while pointing on the setup administrator password. First enter the old password. Then when you click on enter, you can either enter a new password or leave these two fields blank in order to delete the password. And now it is disabled. The setup password will be used to open BIOS, but there's also the post password which will be used to turn on the computer, so you can set it up as well if you need it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.